Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Natia and today we are going to see range. We will see what is range. Okay, range is another type of data types which is widely used in uh, in the loop. Okay, which we will discuss later. What range do? Range generates the sequence. Simple. Range generate the sequence. So in the earlier example we have seen a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is we have entered manually. Okay, using this list and everything. Now we can do in one more way, like we do. Okay, suppose a is equal to range 0 to 5. Okay, range 0 to 5. So 0 is our first value and fifth is 5 is the fifth index where we have to stop. It means the value will be, output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the range the last value will not be considered. So it will stop at 4 only. We have seen this in the indexing also. Okay, so last value will not count in the range. Okay, so it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So range creates the sequence. Range create the sequence. Simple. Okay, so this is the use of range, and by default the steps by which we get the range is 1, like +1, uh, +1 and +1. Okay, this is by default in the range. Okay. So if we see range, so range has start, end and steps. Okay, so at which value you have to start, where to end, and what are the steps. Okay, we can take to form a sequence. Like suppose if I say range 0 to 10, or say 0 to 11, because I need 10 also, and step is 2. Okay, in 2 steps. So our range, our sequence will be 1 0 2, as 0 is the first value, it will include 0 2 4 6 8 10. So we have had +2 +2. These are the steps. Okay, which takes as we have given 2 here. Okay, so start, end and step. So you have to whatever steps you have to take, means I want even number only, so you have so we have taken 2. Suppose I want odd number only, so I will start from 1 and add 2. Okay, so like this way we can take even, odd, or any number of value. You can take 4 steps ahead, 5 steps ahead, any steps you can take it. Okay, it depend on what you required during that operation. So this is the function of range. Okay, what it will do, it will produce the sequence. Okay, and it starts, and it has starts and steps of parameter. These are 3 parameters of range: start, end and step. Okay, so so we will see some examples in the Jupyter notebook. So it's range. Okay, so suppose num is equal to range of 0 comma 5. So if I print num, so what it will be? It gives, see, it gives me object. So range, so value is there. What happened here? Let me show you in this form so that you can get easily. Okay, so what happened there? That num, let me show you. So what happened here, that num is equal to range of 0 comma 5. Okay, and I have asked print num, and what it give me, it give me object. it give me object range 0 comma 5. It give me value, but it gives me in an object form. Now I want something where I have to put this range, where I have to put this range. Okay, it is like that. Suppose you have made 5 sweets. Okay, you cannot give sweet hand to hand. Okay, you need some box where you have to put that sweets. Okay, so in this in a layman language, you understand in this way only, that you have a 5 type of sweets you want to give to someone else, and you don't give one by one. You take this one box and put it there, and then you can give. Okay, so range is our sweets, and we need one container, one thing which can take all the sweets. So here we can take, uh, so where we have seen the sequences, we have seen in list, we have seen in tuple. So we will put it in a list. Okay. So what it will become? So num is equal to list of range of 0 comma 5. Sorry, 0 comma 5. Okay. Let me show you what will happen. So num is equal to list of range of 0 comma 5. Now print num. Voila, see, this is our result. Okay, now you can see the sequence 0 1 2 3 4. So this is our list which we have generated from using range data type, using 0 to 0 comma 5 our parameter. Okay, now suppose you want num num 1 is equal to list of range from 1 to 50, starting from 1 and at 49. Okay, I want 7 stable, 7. Okay, so print num 1. 1 8 15. So this is not a 7 table, sorry, it is like you can see, this is starting from from 1. Okay, it is if it starts from 0, let me change something. Yeah, now it is 7 table, 7 14 21 28 35 42 49. So this is how this range can be used using steps, start and steps. Suppose I need even values. Okay, so what I will do, I will use num is equal to list of range my even value starts from 2 to 20. I need the even value from 2 to 20. Okay, 20 should be included in the even value. So I will take my range up to ends up to 21, because as I will take 21, so it will end at 20. And how many steps I have to take? I have to take, it's 2. So num print num. See, 2 4 6 8 12 14 16 18 20. So this is my list, this is my range, and I can print the even number using my list my range function. Okay, now I can also do for odd 22 and 2. Print num. See, I can get all the odds value, 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so like this way you can play with this range function what you want, but it will create a sequence. Okay, so range is a very helpful when you use the loop function, when you will study the loops in the Python. So range is very much helpful in that to generate the sequence. Okay, so hope you have understood the importance of range. Okay, now there is one more thing. Suppose you want this range, this sequence in a descending order. Okay, means 20 at first and 2 at the last. Here what it is, that it is in a ascending order, 2 4 6, it's going in the positive direction 2 to 20, but I want in a reverse direction from 20 to 2. So how will you do it? If you know, let's try. You can try, pause the video and try it. Okay, if you will try 10 minutes, you can give to yourself and try it. I have explained how it can do in the last lecture. Okay, in the list I have explained you how you can reverse the direction of the list. Okay, so uh, try it. Okay, now you can do it. Suppose this num only I can take, this num is there. Okay, and take list from range. Okay, range is from starting is 21 20. Let's start from 22. I mean, this take 21. This is the starting point. Okay, 21 is our start. Okay, I want in a descending order, so I am starting at 21. And at what point I have to end? I have to end at 1. So my last value is has to be 1. So I will take up to 0, because it will give me up to 1 only. Okay, and what how many steps means what steps I have to take means like we have taken these 2 steps for even number, or 2 steps for this odd. So here what value you have to take as a step? You have to take -2. Okay, so as I have explained you here also, that it goes in a plus direction, +1 +2 +2. Now here it goes in a minus direction, so -2 means 2 to 0 4 to 2. So like that it will go. So if I print num, see, it will become this indexing in a reverse direction, 21 19 17. So you can do this also. Okay, using negative steps you can use the decreasing order, using this produce a list in a decreasing order. Okay, this is what you can do with the list, with the range function. Okay, so hope you have understood this range data type. Play with it. We will do one project very soon in the when we will do this conditional statement, or or in the next lecture I am showing you this operators, and then we will do one project using the operator. Okay, so we will do the operator, and then we will do the operator project, because operators are required like modulus or divide function. So let me teach you that first, and then after we will do 2 to 3 projects together. Okay, hope you have liked this video. Kindly do like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, kindly do post in the comment section. I will look into it and share you the solution. Okay, so bye guys, thank you.